Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to play a quiz on chapter 4, that is metals and non-metals. I hope that you all have completed exercises of chapter 4 in your book and in your copy. Now today we are going to play a quiz and you have to give answers of these questions in a page, and then you have to send that page on your own group. So let's start. Question number 1. Which is a metal from the following options? So is it a sulfur? Is it graphite? Is it sodium? Is it carbon? Choose one as your correct answer from these options and write down in a page as answer 1. Now the question 2. Gold occurs in free state or combined form, or both free and combined state, or more reactive form. So you have to choose one from them. Now the third. Sulfur is used in to prepare protein, Haber's process, in fertilizer, in vulcanization. Now the question 4. What happens when calcium reacts with water? When calcium and water combines, they form calcium CaOH, or they form Ca2OH, or they form CaOH2, or no reaction occurs between them. Now question 5th. Ag means silver is a noble metal because it has noble qualities, or it does not react with water vapor, or it reacts with air, water vapor and acid, or it forms from it we can make jewelries. So you have to choose only one option from the given options. Now the question 6. Which metal is used to fill thermometer? Is it mercury? Is it copper? Is it zinc? Or it is potassium? Now question 7. Which gas is filled in the packet of chips, like Uncle Chips or Kurkure packets? Is this carbon dioxide, or nitrogen gas, or hydrogen gas, or helium gas? Now question 8. When magnesium reacts with iron sulfate FeSO4, then it forms magnesium chloride, or it forms magnesium sulfate, or it forms magnesium iron, or no reaction will occur. Now the question 9. What happens when calcium reacts with water? And your options for this question: calcium hydroxide forms, calcium Ca2OH forms, CaOH का Ca and whole square of OH forms, or no reaction occurs. Now the question 10, which is the last question of this quiz. gas produces a pop sound with the burning candle? Is it argon? Is it nitrogen? Is it helium? Or is it hydrogen? So you have to give answers of these 10 questions in a page, and after giving answers or writing answers, you have to send that page on your group. So that's all for today, and the next day I will give you solutions of these questions. So thank you class.